Hello there, this is Michael from the aiSage team. Today we're going to show you what is inside the aiSage box and how quickly you can set up and start using it. And now to the unboxing. Up on top we see the Acer BYOC logo. Flip that around, we can see the EAN and UPC as well as the serial number. This is very important for your registration. We flip open the lid and remove this plastic bag. And this will be your I/O ports. First is the DC in for your power. We have two HDMI ports available to be connected to different screens if needed. We have two LAN ports. We have one micro SD card slot. We have two USB 2.0 ports. And of course, we have a RS-232 port for barcode scanners. And of course, we have a power button right at the end of it. We flip this around and we can see the cover lens. Behind the cover lens is the full HD camera. This is the camera that you'll be running your computer vision with. Now let's remove the tray. The first thing that we will see will be the aiSage Quick Start Guide. Then we will have the power cord, our 12-volt power adapter. Lastly, our hinge mount. This will be necessary to connect aiSage onto your monitors or displays. Now let's connect this aiSage to this monitor we have here. We'll attach the HDMI cable to our aiSage, followed by the power connector here. You'll see the power light turn on and you'll be all set. The display should quickly show you the Linux desktop environment. aiSage comes in both Android and Linux versions, and the specific image of Linux which gets preloaded can be further customized depending on your needs. For example, if you're a developer already using AWS services, we can provide Linux kernels with additional AWS services such as Greengrass, KVS, and SageMaker Neo already loaded onto aiSage and ready to go. What we have here is a general use Linux image, so let's just get started by connecting to the internet here. There we go. And with that out of the way, you can open up the console and begin your project in no time.